20 years I perform cadaver dissection course and it's the first time that I can use here the facilities of the sitem-insel.
I'm very happy to have here an extraordinary infrastructure for life surgery courses, wet lab courses with state-of-the-art equipment in the heart of Bern.
I appreciate very much the entire equipment. The location is very beautiful. It's situated very nicely in the middle of Bern, and I'm really impressed, and I hope that this will continue in this manner.
It's a very good experience for me because you can learn, practice step by step, and the instruments and the equipment is very new and very nice is the room in the sitem.
Dissecting on cadaver heads is still the most important step for a future surgeon, and I can only recommend this course.
It's wonderful, it's excellent how the equipment is on the most modern international state-of-the-art. It's really impressive, and it's a big advantage to have this opportunity to do teaching here at this location. I'm traveling also at international locations, and it's comparable with the highest international standards. Really good, congratulations.
This is a great pleasure and an honor to welcome here in our Clinical Anatomy Training and Research Unit this PSSB symposium for the first time. And this is a great pleasure to welcome Professor Carvazaccio and the participants, the whole team, the whole technical team, and all the sponsors to this great event here at sitem-insel.